Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the dent size and an access point behind the panel. This matters for which technique works. Once done, unplug the refrigerator and remove shelves or drawers to reach the backside safely. Gather a hairdryer, a can of compressed air, a rubber mallet with a soft face, a block of wood, and a soft cloth. Make sure you wear gloves. You're starting now. Expose the panel, keep the area dry, and position lighting so you can see contour changes clearly. You'll combine heat and pressure to reverse the dent because stainless expands with heat and becomes more malleable. First, heat the dent area for about 30 to 60 seconds. This loosens the metal. Then, from the backside, apply steady, even pressure with your palm or a soft-ended tool, pushing from the center toward the edges. Once the profile rises, make short, controlled taps around the perimeter with a rubber mallet and block of wood to smooth the transition. Check progress frequently to avoid overworking the metal. You finish by letting the metal cool slowly so it sets back into shape rather than springing back. Wipe the area with a soft cloth and reinstall shelves and drawers. Then polish with a non-abrasive stainless cleaner to hide minor marks and restore the sheen. If the dent persists, make sure you access the true center. Once done, repeat the heat hand push cycle or use a strong suction cup dent puller. If you see persistent creasing, stop and consult a professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.